This looks familiar. Where we got our car parts, cardboard, except we're getting the big cardboard this time. We have those. We have 4 of those. And that's not gonna fit. All right, let's try this. Okay, so we fit it in there, and we just noticed that it says made with recycled paper, and paper doesn't like water. So, yeah. Alright, well, we just spent money on that. We're not returning it, so, okay.
So right now we're taping the box.
Hey.
We're taping a boat. We're taping the boat.
It's not a box anymore.
And we're just missing one person.
Alright, so this is what we have so far. It's that. And it's pretty good. So, we need to tape it up now.
So we're finally done with the frame. And now we're just gonna tape everything together.
Alright, so we spent 26 bucks on duct tape alone today for 3 rolls, and we have that. So, and there's a little bit on the inside, but we need to buy more duct tape, which is expensive, so we're just going to get the cheap kind, because I don't want to spend too much money. And Sam is going to fund the entire project, because he was not here. And now I need to try to carry this to lift it to the car. Alright, so this is now our boat, because we didn't realize that we had to get it in a car on the way back. So we folded it up. It still has the tape on the bottom, but it's in a big fold right now. So, yeah.
Because we've had to cut it up so we could move it, because it would not fit in the car. So we just retaped all the edges.
So what we did was we duct tape kind of around the edges of it. So we're going to keep on doing that. And all the way around. Kind of like that until we get it finished. So, yeah.
So we just put a box inside the box to support the sides and to support the bottom. So it's layered right now.
Alright, we got one of my friends to help us take the boat, because he's the only one with a big enough car. And a pool. And it fits just barely. I'm sitting shotgun and I have no leg room because the seat's really far up. And this thing is really cool. It's like a mouse. You click on stuff. It's like a noise. No. Bring it alongside like that. Good.
Yeah, I want to get out there in case it tips and kind of.
Okay, we'll try. Beach it? Okay.